guys, it's Mommy.
I'm Lily and Perry.
And Perry. And this is our Happy Place family YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, what do they need to do?
Big thumbs up.
Give us a big thumbs up so we know to make more content like this. Now, if you guys have been following along so far, you know that we are in the middle of planning our vacation to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Just 3 short weeks away, which means we're getting everything ready. One of the things we like to do when we're on vacation is collecting a couple of things. One of the things we like to collect is character autographs. If you've ever been to the parks, you've probably seen people walking around with little autograph books about this big, and they get all the characters to sign them with the pen, and they're a really great keepsake. When we started our autograph collection, we wanted to do something a little more permanent, a little bit more usable. So instead of getting autograph books, we got pillowcases. We have 2 pillowcases. One is Lily's.
So we could have Disney Sweet Dreams.
That's right, for Disney's Sweet Dreams. And one is Mommy's, because if you haven't figured it out yet, I'm as big of a kid as Lily is. So this is a really great different way to collect character signatures. If you're going to do this, we highly recommend that you get fabric markers. Get good quality pillowcase, something that's going to last and hold up, and you get fabric markers to do it. Don't do it with Sharpies. We use this brand, but you can get any brand that works well for you. Unfortunately, we did this once before, and we did it with a regular Sharpie marker. That didn't work very well. When we washed our pillowcases, the Sharpie marker actually washed out. So that was a learning lesson. You want to get heat settable fabric markers to do this. We have been using these pillowcases for I don't know how many trips now. I've kind of lost count, but it's got to be 6 or 7 trips. So as you can see, we have quite a few signatures on here. One of my favorite signatures, if I can find it for you. Oh, well, definitely Mickey Mouse, but that goes without saying.
He's stuck to my hair.
Perry's really stuck on you.
I'm going to keep him.
So one of our favorite signatures, if I can find it, is this one. Darth Vader.
Oh, yeah.
So if you can see that right there, that's Darth Vader's signature.
Another special one.
And it was quite the sight when we asked Darth Vader to autograph our pillowcases. He didn't seem happy about the request, but he obliged. However, last year we asked Kylo Ren to sign our pillowcases, and what did he say?
No.
He said
it just
no.
Like that. He just said
No.
straight no. Nothing.
And I had to point out to him that his grandfather did it, and he still said
no. He did not like that. He said that.
He did not like the request. So you can try if you go see Kylo Ren, but he doesn't seem to have the desire to be in anybody's fan book, if you know what I mean.
So we have another special one.
We have another special autograph that Lily's looking for. They're all special autographs,
yeah,
right?
But Tarzan, you don't see Tarzan a lot.
You don't see Tarzan a lot.
We have Tarzan, but we don't have Jane.
No, we don't have Jane. So we're kind of now on a mission to fill in the blanks on our pillowcases.
We have a lot of blanks, though.
We still have a lot of blanks, and unfortunately our blanks are becoming more and more harder to find characters. And like last year when we ran into Robin Hood. Oh, we did get Robin Hood. Oh, wow.
But he used a bow and arrow.
I thought he didn't oh, wow. I thought he didn't sign it. Okay. So.
Good thing I have kid eyes.
Good thing she has kid eyes. She's paying attention. So I guess we tend to carry these around with us all the time because we're looking really for those lesser out and about characters. We have who? Russell and Doug. Yes, Russell and Doug from the Animal Kingdom. So maybe when we fill up these pillowcases, what we'll do next time is we'll do a pillowcase like per park, where you find the characters most likely in each park. We've had these pillowcases for an awfully long time now. This is, like I said, our second set. So we've got, people like Pooh on here. We've got the lovely Snow White. The list goes on and on and on. When we first started doing this, we learned a couple of lessons with the set of pillowcases that I ruined because we didn't use the right type of markers. You have to use heat set markers. And they have to be heat set fabric markers. I did it with regular Sharpies and it just didn't work out. The other thing is the first time we did this, I had kind of taken the pillowcase and stuffed a piece of cardboard in it and wrapped it up to try to make a hard surface for the characters to sign on. And it was actually a cast member that was assisting the PhotoPass photographer in the park that recommended to us that we get quilting hoops. So I'm going to show, if you're not familiar with what a quilting hoop is, I'll show them to you. It's these rings. And when
popped one out.
What you do is you put the ring, people use these for quilting and for embroidery, but it's a larger ring outside of a smaller ring, and then there's a little mechanism here where you can tighten it. You put the fabric over the ring, put the two rings together, they're going to kind of snap together.
You'll hear it. You'll hear it.
You can kind of hear it, feel it. Once they're together, you're going to tighten the bolt to make this nice and tight. And what that's going to give is a nice, flat, tight surface for the character to sign on. Another thing that I would say, if you're going to like a table service restaurant, you want to just pull this as tight as you can so you're going to get the best signature the tighter you make it. The other thing is, if you're going to a table service restaurant, leave your markers out on the table. We had our whole bag of markers sitting out on the table when Jake came along. And we went to hand him, I think Lily had picked out a blue marker for him, and he wasn't quite satisfied with that. So he took all our markers and dumped them out on the table and used as many as he could to sign his name. So that was really cute, and we got a really cute autograph because of that. If you see, that's our multicolored Jake. So what you're going to also want to do is, if you're going to do this after you've met a character, you're going to want to set it for your next character, because you never know when you're going to run into somebody. So you're going to want to move it over to where you have enough space for somebody else to sign. If you run across somebody else, have it set up, have it ready to go, and have it handy in your park bag. We put this in a plastic bag, separate plastic bag within our park bag. So one, if it starts raining, it doesn't get wet, and the unset signatures don't get ruined. And two, so it's easy to pull right out. So we'll put these and the bag of markers straight in. I will put links to Amazon where I purchased the quilting hoops and the markers if you want to find them. And like I said, you can use any quality pillowcase. I would get a high quality one, because once this is done, this is going to be something you want to last. Definitely do autographs on your vacation, whether you do them in an autograph book, you do them on a pillowcase, do something memorable. We hope you like this video. Make sure you come back and check out more of our stuff. Subscribe down below, that's the big red button. Give us a big thumbs up to like this video. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye-bye. Doug and Tarzan in Animal Kingdom. Tarzan. I said Tarzan.
Like Gaston.
Tarzan.
When you put both of them together, Gaston and Tarzan, you get Tarzan.
Tarzan. No one fights like Tarzan. No one fights like Tarzan. No, that's the wrong song.